We saw a great buy opportunity with a 92% chance of a pump and a relatively low price versus well money flow. As we test support where we previously got lots of buy signals, this is a great place to enter. And very shortly after, just a day after, we saw very quick moves back up in the market. So congrats on anyone that took that trade. Ethereum is actively forming a new high for this bull market so far as we approach and are just hours away from the SEC's decision on the spot Bitcoin ETF. No matter the decision, today is going to be a historic moment for the cryptocurrency market. And in this video, I'm going to give you my predictions for where I think Ethereum is heading in the next couple of days. Let's jump into it. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Now, as a heads up to our members, you're going to want to take a look at yesterday's future forecast video. Bitcoin ETF approval within 24 hours, plus what can happen if you sell your crypto for USD and the dollar collapses. This is a legitimate concern, especially as we transition as a nation to CBDCs. And yesterday's video is going to tell you everything you need to know. Now, Friday's video, we come out every Tuesday and Friday with these videos. You're going to see that Travis just invested an additional $20,000 into the crypto market, and you're going to want to see how he's allocating these funds. This is super exciting as we anticipate more movement in the bull market. And really quickly, I just want to take some time to highlight one of our last trade wins. This was Chainlink with the trade called out on January 3rd and one on January 5th with an easy 5% take profit. We saw a great buy opportunity with a 92% chance of a pump and a relatively low price versus well money flow. As we test support where we previously got lots of buy signals, this is a great place to enter. And very shortly after, just a day after, we saw very quick moves back up in the market. So congrats on anyone that took that trade. And I want to let you know we have 9 active trades for you to take, with the last one looking for profits of 10%, 12%, and 15% total. These are going to be insane trades. You do not want to miss out. Both the future forecast videos and trade setups are available with a membership at the links in the description down below. Jumping into the analysis itself, we currently have Ethereum sitting at a price of $2,468 after breaking through structural resistance at $2,448. This is super exciting as we anticipate the SEC decision. I think we are going to see a lot of volatility in the market. I think just about everyone is expecting for the SEC to approve the Bitcoin ETF, and if that happens, I think the crypto market as a whole is going to see significant moves up, with our very first resistance here being tested at $2,656. Now, from the current price, this would be a move up of about 8%, just under that. Now, this is highly unlikely, but if we get a rejection of the Bitcoin ETF, I think very sharp moves down are going to happen, with our main structure support sitting at $2,136 and $1,909. Those would be massive moves to the downside. But again, I think an approval is far more likely. In order to find the absolute top for this move, I think it could play out over the next couple of weeks. We're going to be looking at both the 1 day and 1 week, but there's 2 signals, actually 3 that we're looking for on each time frame. In order to catch the top, I want to see price versus whale money flow high. This means whales have overbought and are likely to begin moving money out of the market, and where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. From there, I'm going to be looking for trades in favor high as well. When we get both of these lined up, it's extremely bearish. And if we get another sell signal, all 3 of these will almost guarantee a move down on the 1 day time frame. But 1 week time frame, we already have price versus well money flow high, and trades in favor is likely to be much higher over the next week or 2. If we get price versus well money flow and trades in favor high, and once again a sell signal on the weekly, all 3 of these again would combine to be extremely bearish. And if we get both 1 week and 1 day time frames lining up, we should see significant drops to the downside. Now, after previous historic ETF releases, I'm talking the gold ETF, we saw moves up for about 15 days, followed by 68 days of a crash. And from there, it took 285 days to fully recover back to that high. Now, here at Trade Confident, we are almost certain that this is going to play out with the crypto market in a similar way, albeit a lot faster because of how volatile cryptocurrency tends to be. I think we are going to see significant moves to the upside, but I think between these 2 levels, there's going to be a lot of selling pressure. So around this point, I think we're going to top out and begin moving back to the downside. and as whales begin to buy up this price towards the bottom, I think we're going to see the continuation of the bull run. This would satisfy a higher low requirement in order to continue the bull run as well. And as we move into the halving event, we should see significant price increases across the board. Now, as this plays out, I just showed you exactly how we're looking for the next top in anticipation of the move down. Now, what you do with that information is up to you, but no matter what happens, you're going to want to snag these indicators before the Bitcoin ETF is released, because this is going to help you navigate the insane volatility in the crypto market. Right now, I can help you get up to $550 off. Check this out. Links are going to be in the description down below, and hear me out here, but you're going to want to snag a membership first, and that is because members get significant indicator discounts. It's significantly cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. It's going to come with those future forecast videos, all trade setups we have to offer every single month, metrics across all 20 coins on our website, and more. Go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and once you have a membership, scroll down to the second link, click that for the indicators, and the Pro Indicator Pack is what you're looking for. Access the membership coupon code at this link for $150 off, then click Pro Indicator Pack. From here, you're going to scroll down, click I want this, throw in your membership code, and fill in your information here. It's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, and when combined with the membership discount, that's going to give you your full $550 discount. Go ahead and click Add to Cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and we are going to be eagerly watching the news with you to see the SEC's decision. And I'll see you here tomorrow to discuss the outcome.